Okay, it's the 13th, Wednesday, and the market sold off pretty aggressive this morning, but now it's come back. It's rallying back. NASDAQ turns positive. S&P is flat after being down well over 1%. Inflation numbers came in hot this morning. Looking at this chart here, 9% year over year CPI. You know, I did the video over the weekend talking about some of the leading indicators. So I do believe that inflation, I don't know where it's going to be people here in the numbers, but that said, the leading indicators at least are telling me that inflation should be subsiding. But now there's rumors out there that the Fed may do 100 basis points at the next meeting. That'll be something. See how the market reacts to that. Did a couple of trades today. Here's a Royal Caribbean. Right here we went long puts, and the thing has come off from about 40 down to like 32 and change. So that worked in our favor. So you see here with RCL, we went long puts. This was on the 29th of June. These were the August 19th 35 strike price puts, and we purchased them for $3.85. Now I had sold half the position a few days ago for $5. I sold some more today for $4.60. It's about a 20% return, and I still have a little bit left in there to see how much more we can squeeze out. Caesars Entertainment long puts here. It did gap lower today, but you can see here it's actually coming back. It's only down about 0.5% at this point, but I took some off. So here we had we bought the puts. This is June 29th. We bought the August 19th $40 strike price puts. We paid $4.05, and I already sold a chunk of it for $5.35. This morning I sold some more at $5.03. It's about a 24% return. I still have a few left on there. We put this bear put vertical on Disney, and it's been coming in. It's off the lows now, but it did gap down this morning. So we had sold some of this a couple days ago, and here we are now. So on that's the 8th. On July 8th, we went ahead. We sold the August 19th 85 strike price for $1.49. We went ahead. We bought the August 19th $95 strike price puts for $4.35. Today, I unwound half of my remaining half position, and that was for about a 46% return. Here's APTV. We're long puts on this, and it has been suffering. It's following its moving averages down, so it is in a downtrend. So here on June 29th, we went long the puts. I had bought the August 19th $90 strike price puts for $5.90. Today I sold half of the position for $7.09. That's a 20% return. Here's Akamai having a lousy day today. We went long the puts here. You can see the thing is trending lower. With the Akamai on June 29th, we bought the August 19th $90 strike price puts for $4.51. Today I sold half of that position for $5.20. It's about a 15% return. Here's General Motors, GM, in a nasty downtrend, right? Just following this 20-day moving average all the way down. So we went long puts here. I took some off today. All right, so you can see here on the 29th of June, we went long the puts. These were the August 19th $33 strike price. We paid $2.29 for them. I already sold half for $2.74 this morning. I sold half of my remaining half for $3.25. So that's about a 42% return. And I still have some on. And so we'll see where that goes. PayPal in a nasty downtrend. We went with the bear put vertical on this one, and I could see this thing even going lower. So I took half off. So here you see on the 8th, this is July 8th, we had sold the August 19th $60 strike price puts for $179, and then we went ahead and we bought the August 19th strike price $70 puts for $4.90, and today I unwound half of that position for a 24% return. Penn Gaming, another one in a downtrend. We went with the bear put vertical on this one. It was funny, yesterday or the day before, Macau had announced that they were shutting down, so we do have exposure to the downside in a lot of the gaming names, so I took some off here. So here on the 6th, that's July 6th, we had sold the August 19th $25 strike price for 87 cents. And then we went ahead and we bought the August 19th $30 strike price puts for $2.45. Today I unwound half of that position for a 27% gain. Another gaming stock, MGM Resorts. MGM is the ticker. Again, in a downtrend, we went with the bear put vertical on this one. Yeah, so on July 6th, we had sold the August 19th 26 strike price puts for 98 cents. We went ahead and we bought the August 19th strike price $29 for 202, and today I sold half of that position for a 20% return. Here's Micron Tech, ticker symbol MU, in a bad downtrend. It was a lot lower before. It's actually come back. It's only down 0.4% now. But I did a bear call spread here, so I just need this thing to close below 65.07. That's by not this Friday, but the Friday after. That's July 22nd. Okay, so for MU, I had sold the July 22nd $65 strike price calls for 14 cents, and I bought the July 22nd 67 strike price calls for 7 cents. And again, if it closes below that threshold, we get to keep that premium for next Friday. Best Buy really rallying back today. It's up 1%. It was down a lot more before. So here I did a bear call spread, so I need this thing to close below 75.22 by not this Friday, but the following Friday. That's the 22nd. Best Buy sold the July 22nd 75 strike price calls for 51 cents and bought the July 22nd $77 strike price calls for 29 cents. Again, if it closes below our threshold, we get to keep that premium. Here's Delta. Delta is down 5.4% today. This is on the heel of yesterday. On the heels yesterday, all the airline companies rallied really strong. They reported this morning lousy numbers. The stock is selling off pretty hard. I went with a bear call spread here, so I need the stock to trade below 32.61 by July 22nd. That's the expiration. So not this Friday, next Friday. Went ahead and I sold the July 22nd 32 strike price calls for 18 cents, and then I bought the July 22nd 34 strike price calls for 7 cents. Going back to the airlines, this is one that we were looking at yesterday. So I had the bear call spread. I need United Airlines to close below 38.12 by this Friday, coming up in 2 days. So it's at 37.82 now, so a little bit of a nail biter. Was a lot lower before. It's coming back. It's only down 1% now. So we'll see how this shakes out. Bank of America, inverted yield curve hurting banks, right? This thing is in a nasty downtrend. I went with a bear call spread here, expiring on the 22nd of July. So I need this thing to trade below 33.10 by a week from this Friday. So when I sold the July 22nd 33 strike price calls for 21 cents, and then I bought the July 22nd 34 strike price calls for 11 cents. Again, looking to capture some premium there. All right, that's all I have for today. I have some other orders pending. I haven't got filled on anything yet, so stay tuned. Thanks.